People used to say that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. That's been disproven. If you consistently crack your knuckles, you may have lower grip strength.
Do you feel like loosened up? Like after I crack my fingers, you know, they feel
Is
more
that, is that a placebo, or is there actually any sort of research about, like, I crack my back, it feels better?
Every time you're cracking your back, you're taking it through the full range of motion. By creating movement and activating those muscles, you're bringing circulation. When you bring circulation, muscles heal better, they move better, you're taking them through the full range of motion. In fact, that's why they crack, because you're putting them to their end range of motion. So you're kind of stretching that joint space, you're popping that air bubble, you're creating that noise. But it's really the stretching and the movement that's making you feel good, not the actual pop.